Yeah. It did. I can hear the spirit, but it's not.
Where did she come from?
I don't know. Where'd you find this bird?
Hi. She's ugly.
It's a baby.
She's so ugly. She looks like a newborn.
She is a newborn.
If she was cuter, maybe we'd be nicer to her.
Hey, she is cute. I like how fuzzy her hair is.
Yeah, she's not cute.
You're
But
rude.
we still have to love her because she's God's creature.
She's kind of chilling.
I think she likes you.
Okay, I gotta hurry because the mom wants blood, but I think I found his home, so I put him back. Look at the babies. Oh, their mom is pissed. I low-key think this is the mom. She wants her babies back, so I'm gonna leave now. Hopefully she didn't push that baby out on purpose, so guess we'll see.